We're going to do things a little differently this week, and we'll start by looking at the area between Queen and Ontario Streets where MTO dedicated parking will eventually be. This will be a stylized, curved margin. Miguel has a statement to make.
Hey, bom dia a todos. Estamos aqui no Offline Ferry, tendo aqui curvas do Sousa Ready Mix. Força Portugal amanhã e sempre para a frente, força na vida. Vamos, caralho!
Wednesday sees a trench begin for electricians to lay line for lamp posts. Thursday sees Sousa back, at the start of 2 days forming up for a concrete sidewalk. By Friday, the work is well advanced. In case you're wondering, this is where things are headed. Turning to the serious business of piling, Monday sees one of the cranes relaxed. Attention is focused on a cable. By early afternoon, as rain begins to fall, all is well. Earlier in the day, a large delivery of the specialised grout for the drilling operation had arrived, and a clear indication that there's much more work to be done. Work to drive in the line of permanent piles continues steadily, sometimes with the need to cool them down, to ease the fit between sections. Piles are getting closer to meeting at the corner. Tuesday also sees 3 rather extraordinary events. For the first time, we see water associated with the drilling operations removed. Then Kingston's fireboat makes an unexpected visit to the site. And finally, no doubt as part of an environmental monitoring process, a team from GEMS arrives to fish the pond. Elsewhere, the focus is very much on placing the toe pins. Bursts of high-pressure air sent down to the drill can have significant impact, occasionally fracturing the bedrock beside the shaft. The seal above the drill requires regular attention. It's an important task before every relocation. It's essential too to clear any material that may be clogging the drill head. As each hole is drilled, its depth is checked, if it's sufficient, and then the drill can be swung away. The next step is to introduce the grout, again carefully checking its depth. Considerable support work is required on shore. A substantial quantity of grout is involved. It's worth mentioning here that on Wednesday one of the remaining sections of the heated sidewalk was poured. To close this week's update, we'll take a look at the piling work. Not just at the east end, but at the west end too, where the cross wall introduced quite early is now being extended towards the old dock wall. This is the situation on Friday. Preparations are being made to lift out one of the platforms. It's gone by midday, and its supports are being cut away. It will be lifted away very shortly.
Nobody sees me like you do. You just
Other pieces will follow quickly.
and I wanna hold you all the time.
We'll close with a look at some of the pieces removed from the piles and wish you well. Thanks for watching.